Hi, just a quick demo of the current Planet eStream integration. This is just a test environment for Aula. I have a test space just for Planet eStream. This is what a Planet eStream block looks like inside the editor. So the player, like, is something someone has already posted, so can play full screen and just use the player normally. To add new content, we have a button here, Planet eStream, and then the first thing you see is the sort of media picker. For Coventry, once the content is already migrated, there will be like content in the media library. But from here, you have the photo library, web recorder, where you can do a screencast. You can upload from the TV and radio archive, or you can just upload a file. So, for example, must have some file example. We upload it, and it will work similar for the web recorder. And then you get this coming soon screen while the video is being processed, which you can refresh. You can make the post while it's being processed, and once it's available, it would load, and it would look just like this one.